What's up, what's up? Oh, it's here. We live, baby.
Oh, it's pretty loud.
4-2-2.
No way.
That came fast, man.
This has been a dream of mine since I was 4 years old. Always wanted to play in NFL.
I always knew that this was a dream and a goal of mine.
This is my dream to get here, and I'm here, so I had to prove myself.
I've kind of built my career upon people doubting me.
I want to rise to the top. You know, I want to be expected to do big things because that's how I think of myself.
If you here and don't believe you the best at your position, I don't know why you're here.
It's a lot of talent here, you know, from top to bottom. A team is going to get a great player in the fourth round just as well as they would get one in the first round.
It doesn't matter the school that you come from. At the end of the day, these are amazing scouts here. They're going to find the right person for their organization.
My mom always tell me, pray about everything and worry about nothing.
My mom, she always tell me hard work pays off.
So I'm just trying to go out there and just display me. I'm not trying to go out there and show out or do something that's not me.
My goal out here is just come out and be myself. You got to go out there and prove yourself every day, whether it's to yourself, to the scouts, to the other players, whatever it may be. I'm a big physical receiver, you know. I can go get the deep balls. I'm a block on the edge. I just do it all in one.
I'm not scared to put my helmet into anybody's face. If you're playing against me, I'm going at you the whole game.
I just don't want to be a guy who can just go deep, you know. I want to be able to do a lot of things in my game.
I know I can get the ball on the 5-yard line and take it 95 yards for a touchdown. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
You know, just having the mindset, you know, that any ball that's in the air, you know, it's my ball. And I feel like I'm a playmaker, so anytime I had the chance to make a player change the momentum of the game, you know, I took it upon myself to do so.
I'm excited about doing everything. You know, I'm not a guy that limits myself as saying I play one position. I'm out there on the field, wherever they need me to fit at, you know, I'm willing to do it.
I have that chip on my shoulder. I work like I'm the worst receiver in the draft, but my confidence is up there, and I know that I'm that top guy.
Definitely excited to get on a team and learn from a veteran, man. I just want to be one of the best that play this game. So learning from guys that's already been there is very important.
I want to go in and listen to what the vets have to say. You know, they have a lot of information. You know, I'm just going in as a rookie, so I really don't know anything.
Finding that veteran, finding that person, you know, that's going to help you out, whatever you need to do. Because, you know, it's a big step from college football to the pros.
I've taken a lot from football just as far as, you know, working hard to accomplish a goal and working with the team and keeping that team accountable.
I got big plans, you know what I'm saying, as a rookie.
Rookie year, I want to come in and be a hard worker, show the team that I'm capable of making plays.
They're definitely going to be getting somebody that's going to want to come in ready to work from day one.
Come in and be a team player and be a game changer for any team that drafts me.
Do great things to help contribute to my team's success.
It doesn't matter what team I play for. You know, I love to go play for any team that pick me.
Whichever team I get drafted to, you know, I'm coming in ready to make a difference, ready to, you know, be a starter on that team, whichever team it is, and, you know, ready to play.
At the end of the day, I'm a competitor. That's what I like to do. That's what I do.
I'm willing to do anything that it takes for the team to win.
Any team that I get drafted to, I'm looking to go there and be the best player I can be.
My mindset is to help the team, however, whether it's I have the ball in my hands or don't have the ball in my hands on special teams or whatever the case is, I'm gonna be aggressive and I'm gonna do my job.
We both have beliefs. They just happen to be a lot of the same in regards to how we want to build a football team, the types of players that we want to build it with, how we want this organization to turn things around. We're starting to build a foundation.
An important part of team building, evaluating the prospects in this draft class, and you know, just excited to continue to lay on the foundation that we started last year.